Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Honeywell thermostat that is not communicating with your boiler in 2026. So first of all, you need to raise the temperature a few degrees above the current room temperature. Then you need to take a look at the heat demand icon, the flame symbol or the heating indicator on the display. Now, if the thermostat isn't actually calling for heat, the boiler will never receive the command to start. Now you can also simply perform a simple reset. In it, you just have to simply remove the thermostat batteries if applicable. Then you just have to restart the thermostat through its menu. Then you need to switch the boiler off at the fused spur and power switch it for at least 30 seconds before turning it back on. After often a communication fault clears after both the devices reboot and reconnect. Now, if you have a wireless Honeywell system, you can just simply locate the receiver box installed near the boiler, and then you just have to simply take a look at the warning lights or flashing LEDs or communication indicators. Now, many of the Honeywell systems use LED codes in order to show whether the thermostat and the receiver are fully paired. Now, if you are using a wired thermostat, you can just simply turn off the power to the heating system, and then you can inspect the wiring. Sometimes the loose R, W, the T1 and T2 or the boiler control wires can interrupt the communication between the thermostat and the boiler. Even a partially loose connection can prevent the heating demand signal from reaching the boiler. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your thermostat is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.